The wireless microphone kit and webcam can be used to stream classroom audio and video to students who may be watching class remotely. With this setup, you won't be interacting with the students on Google Meet at home. These items are included in the bag labeled Anywhere Cart, tripod, and webcam with attached USB cord. The following items are included in the wireless microphone kit box: a body transmitter, receiver, headset mic, charging cable, and adapter cable. Make sure the transmitter and body receiver have enough battery before you start this process. To charge, plug in the USB cord into your computer. Then, plug each of the USB mini cords into the transmitter and receiver. You should see a red light on each device indicating charging is occurring. Remove the quick release plate from the tripod. Attach the webcam to the quick release plate by screwing the pin on the plate to the bottom of the webcam. Reattach the quick release plate to the tripod. Take the USB attached to the webcam and plug it into your computer. Set up the tripod in your classroom. Remember, the webcam needs to be within 5 feet of your laptop. You can adjust the tripod leg height, utilize the hand crank as well as the pan/tilt handle to ensure you have the tripod placed as you like. Keep in mind that this will be stationary during the streaming, so do not set it in a place that will be frequently blocked by you or a student. Press and hold the power button on the body transmitter until the unit turns on. Turn the volume dial all the way towards the plus symbol. Insert the microphone headset plug into the body transmitter. Then, screw the sleeve in clockwise. If a teacher nearby is also using one of these kits, you may need to change the body transmitter's frequency. On the body transmitter, press up to the next frequency. Repeat until sound quality improves. Press and hold the power button on the receiver until the unit turns on. On the receiver, ensure the RF LED illuminates red. Then, using the body transmitter, speak into the microphone and ensure the AF LED illuminates green while speaking. Clip the body transmitter to a belt, waist, or onto the presenter's pocket, ensuring the antenna is not obstructed. Plug the receiver into the adapter. Next, plug the adapter into the headphone port of your laptop. In Google Meet, click on the 3 dots at the bottom of the screen. Choose Settings from the list. In the audio section, the microphone should be set to External Microphone. We recommend you keep the speaker setting as is, since the intent of this setup is to stream and not be concurrent. Be sure to mute all of the students in the Meet and disable the chat to prevent interruptions. In the video section, the webcam will show up as PC Camera in the settings. After selecting these settings, you are ready to stream to students at home using the items in the kit. If you need to stop streaming quickly, carefully pull the webcam's USB cable. Try out the devices on your laptop the day before you need to use them. Charge the body transmitter and receiver before school and during breaks. Wipe down the devices at the end of the day. Contact the support center for assistance.